Hello and welcome. In today's video, I want to offer you a breath that will help you de-stress. And who can't use that? If your brain feels so full of all the information we've been getting, if it is, as Sean says, if your brain hurts, then you need this breath to regroup, reground, reset, and de-stress. So if we haven't met before, I'm Michelle Dahlbeck, and I have been a yoga teacher and educator for almost 20 years now. And on my channel, I am committed to offering you all sorts of yoga practices to help you de-stress, reset, feel grounded, breathe better, move better, and live better in your body. Now, what I love about this particular breath is you don't have to know anything about yoga to do this breath. You can do this breath anytime, anywhere. It's safe for everybody, and you will reap the benefits of it right away. So if you're interested, let's get started. So this breath is commonly referred to as the three-part breath or the complete yogic breath. And the three parts or abodes or regions of breath that the name is referring to is the area of the belly, the area of the rib cage, and the area of the chest. And the completeness is that you're using the full capacity of your lungs. So many of us are under breathers these days, and breath is life. So if you're not breathing, to your fullest capacity, you're not really living to your fullest capacity. You don't have the energy you need to tackle the things that you want to tackle every day. So, these three areas of breath, this completeness of breath, will require you to stand up or sit up nice and tall and straight. So if you're not already there, get yourself to where you can stand up or sit up nice and tall and straight. And let's go ahead and you can bring a hand to your belly and place another hand right over the center of your chest so that you actually have some tactile feedback as you begin to experiment with breathing into the region of the belly, the ribs, and the chest. Your shoulders should be nice and relaxed, spine nice and long. And you'll begin to breathe in and out through your nose. Natural, relaxed, easy. And you might feel as you breathe in and out through your nose, and you just, by starting out, just watch your breath, watch what happens as you breathe, feel what's happening as you breathe in and out. You'll notice that your belly moves, it expands, it swells. Your ribs do the same. They kind of fill and flare out, and you might even feel the tiniest little lift of the chest, like right underneath the collarbones. Now, as you breathe, don't force anything to happen too fast. Don't strain to change the pattern or the volume of breath, but eventually you'll start to lengthen and deepen the breath. You can feel free to leave your eyes open. I'll talk you through this whole thing, so you can close your eyes at any point. Sometimes that helps you locate feelings and sensations inside with a little bit more discernment and clarity. Next time you take a breath in, nice, long, slow, deep breath in, let it come way down and start to swell your belly first. Take a belly breath. And once the belly feels relatively full, imagine the breath filling upwards and outwards into your ribs. And the breath filling right up, kind of creeping up towards the collarbones. And when you feel ready to exhale, just let the breath go right back out through the nose, and imagine you could empty out from the top down. The chest relaxes first, the ribs, and then the belly deflates. As you breathe in, you fill belly, ribs, and chest. You exhale chest, ribs, and belly. If you don't get the pattern perfect, if if it's easier on the inhale than it is on the exhale, don't worry, no sweat, no problem. Just focus on long, slow, deep breaths, relaxing the belly enough, relaxing the shoulders enough that the ribs cage can move. Let the breath travel in and out for just a few more rounds. Breathing, relaxing, feeling the path of breath. Hopefully feeling your entire body start to settle and relax. Your mind start to settle and relax. Take one more big full inhale. When you get as full as you can get, hold the breath in for just a moment and then open the mouth and let it go with a ha. If you're still having hands on your torso, you can let them down. Take just a few moments to notice how you feel. Notice how did that three-part, that full complete breath affect you. Now keep in mind, you don't have to be sitting on a mountaintop. You don't have to be sitting in yoga clothes on a mat or on a cushion. You could be sitting in your car. You could be sitting waiting for a meeting to start. You could be standing in the washroom, washing your hands before you head home. You can literally breathe this way as you're folding the laundry. Like, this can be your everyday strategy to bust stress in the moment. And so take this breath off the mat and into your life with you. And I really hope that it helps de-stress. And if you love this video, check out in the link below some more of my videos. And also you might want to hop over to my website and see what classes I have to offer. I have a host of classes you can take with me. I hope to see you again soon. Thanks and happy breathing.